Hey folks, today we're talking about a cinnamon honey blend for digestive issues. This flavorful honey blend is a simple way to enjoy the health benefits of cinnamon and honey. Use it on toast, mix it into tea, add it to recipes, or enjoy it by the spoonful. This recipe makes 12 ounces. What you'll need is 1 cup of raw honey and a half cup of ground Ceylon cinnamon, fresh if possible. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the honey. Pour the honey into a small bowl. If it's too thick, gently warm it by placing the container in a bowl of hot water or microwaving it in 30-second bursts until it softens. Step 2. Mix in the cinnamon. Gradually add the cinnamon to the honey, stirring thoroughly to combine. Step 3. Store the blend. Transfer the cinnamon honey into a labeled jar or two. Keep the jar or jars in a cool, dry place for up to 1 year. That's it for today, folks. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing natural remedies. And hey, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or your own tips.
Cowboy cures where life endures. Natural paths open doors. With nature's hand, we'll show you the way to live life better day by day.